Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 1.5 distributive property. We are having two formula. The first one is A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This one is intersection over union. Second one, A union B intersection C is equal to, we should multiply this one, A union B intersection A union C. This one is union over intersection. Now let's see exercise 1.5, the second question. If K is equal to A, B, D, E, F, L is equal to B, C, D, G, and M is equal to A, B, C, D, H, then find the following. Here they are asking 5 questions. 3 set is given, K set, L set and M set they given. In that they are asking 5 questions. That first question is K union L intersection B. First of all you should find inside the bracket. Inside the bracket is what? L intersection M is equal to L set, you should write it, intersection M set. Intersection means what? Common element. What is that common element? B is present in both the set. Next C also present in both the set. Next D is present in both the set. Therefore answer is B, C, D. Next I am going to find the full question. K union L intersection M is equal to K set I am written, union L intersection M is here already we find, no, that answer you should write here. Union means join together and write it. What is A, B, the second set C, D, E, F. I am written in that one as order. Second question, K intersection L union M. First of all what we should find? Inside the bracket. Inside the bracket is L union M is equal to L set I am written here, union M set. Union means join together and write it. I am written that one as in order A, B, C, D, G, H. Next, you should find that full question. K intersection L union M is equal to K set intersection L union M is that answer I have written here. Intersection means common element. What is that common element? Here A is present in both the set. Next B is present in both the set. And last one is D is present in both the set. Therefore our answer is A, B, D. Third question, K union L intersection K union M. First we should find inside the bracket. Here K union L you find, then you should find K union M. For both answer you should take intersection. So first you should find K union L is equal to K set union L set. Join together, write the element as 1 times. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next you should find K union M. K set I am written, union M set. For both you should take union. A, B, C, D, E, F, H. Our question is what? K union L intersection K union M. K union L, we got that answer. That answer here I am written. Intersection K union M, this answer is I am written here. For both you should take intersection. Intersection means common element. What is that one? A. A is present in both the set. Next common element is B. Next one is C. Next one is D. Then E. Then F. This is our answer. A, B, C, D, E, F. Fourth question. K intersection L union K intersection M. Inside the bracket, the first you should find that one. K intersection L is equal to K set intersection L set. For both you should take intersection. Intersection is common element B. Next one is D. So B, D. Next you should find K intersection M is equal to K set intersection M set. Here what is that common element? A. Next one B, then D. A, B, D. At last you should find the question. K intersection L union K intersection M is equal to K intersection L, answer I am written here, union, this answer I am written here. For both you should take union A, B, D. In second question, after the fourth, they are asking verify distributive laws. Distributive law I am written here. That is, the first one is intersection over union. The second one is union over intersection. They are asking distributive laws means you should write the two formulas. So I am written this one. In our question, the set name is they given as K, L, M. According to that, I am changing this laws. What is this one? A intersection B union C. Instead of that one is K intersection L union M is equal to, multiply this one, K intersection L union K intersection M. And then second one is, instead of A it is K, instead of B it is L, instead of C it is M. So K union L intersection M is equal to K union L intersection K union M. The first one is intersection over union. The second one is union over intersection. At last, that both it is distributive laws. See here, the first formula I am taken this one. K intersection L union M. This one is the second question they asked in second. So second question we already found that answer. So directly I am substituting instead of this one. The final answer is I am substituting is A, B, D is equal to K intersection L union K intersection M. This question is they asked us fourth one. That fourth answer I am written here. A, B, D. This is both the side. This is LHS side. This one is RHS side. Both are equal. So I have written this one as LHS is equal to RHS. If both are equal means it is verified. Next, come to the second one. Second one, K union L intersection M. This is one in second. The first question they are asking. That answer is I am written here because we already find that answer. A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to K union L intersection K union M. This one is they are asking us third. That answer I am written here. A, B, C, D, E, F. When you see this one, both are equal. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, it is also verified. Third question. If A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z. Z means integer. The limitation is -2 less than X less or equal to 4. B is equal to X such that X belongs to W. That is a whole number. Limitation is X less or equal to 5. Then C said directly they given -4, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Then verify particular that formula they given directly. That is A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. That means we have to verify that LHS is equal to RHS. When you see this question, A set is the given a set builder format. That one you should convert it into a roster format. Here limitation is -2 less than X. That means start with -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ending values less or equal to 4. Come to that B question. X belongs to W, whole number. Whole number start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because X less or equal to 5. So 5 is included. C said directly they given. That one I am written as it is. Next, first I am taking this side. That is LHS is equal to A union B intersection C I am written. You know that first you should find inside the bracket. So I am taken this one. B intersection C is equal to B set intersection C set. Intersection means common element. What is the common is 0. Here also 0 is present. 1 is not present in second set. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Therefore, answer is 0, 2, 3, 4. Next, I am going to find that full part of LHS. A union B intersection C is equal to A set written. Union B intersection C. This answer I am written here. Now take union for both the set. both the set it is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am written that one as order. This is full part of LHS now. That side I am marking as 1. Next, I am taking that RHS. RHS side is this one. A union B intersection A union C. First you should find that inside the bracket. A union B is equal to A set union B set. For both you should take union. That is answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 is there, so 5 is included. Next I am finding that this one A union C. A union C is equal to A set union C set. For both you should take union. That is lowest number is minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A union C. At last I am finding that full of RHS. So A union B intersection A union C is equal to this answer I am written here. Next A union C answer is I am written here. For both you should take intersection. Intersection is common element. Here 1 is common, minus 1 is common. Next one is 0, 0. Next one 1, 2, 3. Therefore answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is RHS answer. That one is I marked as 2. From 1 and 2, it is verified that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. That is, both the answer are you are getting equal. So therefore, you should write that formula. Next topic is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law for set difference. For any 3 set A, B, C. Here 3 set they taken A, B, C. The formula is, the first one is A difference B union C is equal to, the same way you multiply A difference B intersection. Here you should change. De Morgan's law means here union come means here you will get intersection. Intersection A difference C. Once again let repeat. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. The second one A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. De Morgan's laws for complementation. Let U be the universal set containing the finite set A and B. Here complement means you should always subtract with universal set. So you should take that universal set containing the finite set of A and B. Then A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second one, A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. In De Morgan's law, you are having 2 types. De Morgan's laws for set difference means we should use this formula. Next one is De Morgan's laws for complementation they are asking means you should use this one. Sixth question, if A is equal to X such that X is equal to 6n, that means 6 into n belongs to capital W and n less than 6. B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2n, n belongs to capital N and 2 less than n less or equal to 9. And C is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n, n belongs to capital N and 4 less or equal to n less than 10. Then show that A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. In our question, A set, B set and C set they given as a set builder format that should be converted into roster format. Here A set is they given as X is equal to 6n, n belongs to capital W. So 6 into, instead of n, I started with 0. 6 into 0, comma, next one is 6 into 1, comma, 6 into 2, comma, 6 into 3, comma, 6 into 4, then 6 into 5, because the limitation is n less than 6, so below 6. So 6 into 5. Now multiply this one. 6 into 0 is 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Next you should convert that one as b. B is a roster form. Here formula is x is equal to 2n. N belongs to capital N. The limitation is 2 less than n less or equal to 9. So you should start with 3. B is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8, 2 into 9, because less than or equal to here 9 they given. After that you should multiply this one is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. This is B set. Next C set is x is equal to 3n they given. The limitation is 4 less than or equal to n. That means you should start with 4. N with less than or equal to 10 they given means below 10. That is 4 start, n with 9. Therefore C is equal to 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6, 3 into 7, 3 into 8, 3 into 9. Here 4 I started, n with 9. Multiply this one. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. You got A set, B set and C set. Next we should find that formula. We have to verify that formula. Here that formula I am written here. First of all you should take LHS side. In LHS side, inside the bracket first we should find. So I am taken that one as B intersection C is equal to B set I am written intersection C set. Intersection means common element. Already I circled this one. This is a common element. Therefore answer is 12, 18. Next I am going to find the full part of LHS. A difference B intersection C is equal to A set difference B intersection C. This answer I am written. Difference means you should cancel the common element. So I cancel the remaining element present in that first set. So remaining element what it is present in the first set? 0, 6, 24, 30. This is LHS side. So finally you should mark that one as a number 1. Next I am going to find RHS side. In RHS side inside the bracket is A difference B, A difference C. First we should find A difference B is equal to A set I am written here difference B set. Difference means cancel the common element. I cancel that common element is 6, 12, 18. The remaining element present in that first set. So answer is 0, 24, 30. Next I am going to find that inside the bracket is A difference C is equal to A set I am written difference C set. Cancel the common element. 12 is common, so I cancel. 18 cancel, 24 cancel. So remaining element present in the first set is 0, 6, 30. Next I am going to find the full part of RHS. A difference B union A difference C is equal to A difference B. Answer I am written here. Union A difference C. Answer is this one I am written here. For both you should take union. So 0, 6, 24, 30. This is 2. You should mark it as 2. From 1 and 2 you should compare that one. It is both are equal. You will got the both the answers are equal. So from 1 and 2 it is verified that A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Thanks for watching.